In 2025, more people than ever are struggling with mental health, but almost no one talks about it until it's too late. 1 in 5 adults in the U.S. experiences mental illness each year. Anxiety, depression, burnout, stress, they've become part of everyday life. But what if improving your mental health didn't require a life overhaul? What if there were simple, science-backed strategies you could start using today? In this video, you'll learn 7 powerful ways to boost your mental well-being backed by research, supported by tech, and designed for real life. Let's dive in. Let us face it, we're living in a world that is more connected than ever. And yet somehow, more people feel alone, anxious, and overwhelmed. From the constant noise of social media to the pressure of always being on, modern life has taken a toll on our minds. And while they made huge strides in physical health, mental health is still lagging behind, shrouded in stigma and silence. The World Health Organization reports that depression is now the leading cause of disability worldwide. Suicide rates are rising, and even kids as young as 12 are experiencing chronic stress and anxiety. But here's the truth. Mental health is health, and the sooner we treat it that way, the better we all become. So what exactly is mental health? It's not just about avoiding illness or getting therapy. It's about how you think, feel, and act. It's your ability to handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. Good mental health doesn't mean being happy 24/7. It means having the tools to cope with life, its challenges, and bounce back from setbacks. And just like physical fitness, it's something you can build, improve, strengthen. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or just feeling off, there are proven ways to get back to balance. Tip 1. Move your body, even a little. You don't need to run a marathon to feel better mentally. Just 20 minutes of walking a day can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Movement boosts endorphins and helps regulate stress hormones. And in 2025, with fitness apps like Fit'n or Apple Fitness Plus, it's easier than ever to get started, even from your living room. Tip 2. Eat to feed your brain. Your gut and brain are more connected than you think. In fact, over 90% of serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is produced in your gut. Eating more omega-3 south. Fermented foods and leafy greens has been shown to improve mood and cognitive clarity. Try apps like MyFitnessPal or U8 to track not just calories, but how food makes you feel. Tip 3. Protect your sleep like it's sacred. Sleep is your brain's reset button. Without it, emotional regulation goes out the window. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. It means no scrolling TikTok in bed, no caffeine late in the day, and consistent sleep-wake times. Use tech to help, not hurt. Apps like Calm or smart sleep trackers like RO Ring can coach you into better sleep hygiene. Tip 4. Train your mind with mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword. It's a scientifically backed way to reduce stress, improve focus, and even rewire your brain. Start small. Even 1 minute of breathing with intention can calm your nervous system. Apps like Headspace, Insight Timer, and Balance make it easy to begin, even if you've never meditated before. Tip 5. Cut the noise. Limit screen time. Digital overload is real. The average person checks their phone over 90 times a day, and that's causing emotional fatigue. Start with a simple habit: 30 minutes of phone-free time each morning. Or try using grayscale mode to reduce the dopamine pull of notifications. Tech solutions. Digital well-being on Android, screen time on iOS, or apps like Forest help create healthier boundaries. Tip 6. Build real human connections. Social media can't replace actual connection. And loneliness is more dangerous than smoking 15 cigarettes a day, according to the U.S. Surgeon General. Talk to a friend, join a local group, volunteer, or even join online communities with shared interests. You're not alone, and someone out there is waiting to connect with you. Tip 7. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Therapy isn't for broken people. It's for people. Whether you're overwhelmed or just want to grow, talking to a professional can give you tools, not just talk. Can't afford it. Many online platforms like BetterHelp and Talkspace offer affordable options, and in some states, it's even covered by insurance. So let's recap. Move your body, feed your brain, protect your sleep, Practice mindfulness. Limit screen time. Connect. And ask for help here. The good news. Technology isn't just the problem. It can also be part of the solution. In 2025, we have tools that our parents never dreamed of. Smartwatches that detect stress. Apps that track mood patterns. AI therapists that listen without judgment. Imagine this. You wake up, and your wearable shows you slept deeply. Your meditation app guides you through a 3-minute session. Your mental health journal logs your morning mood, and all of it syncs effortlessly. These aren't future concepts. They're here, and they're helping millions build emotional resilience. Day by day, at Healthy Hub Official, we believe tech should empower, not overwhelm. That's why we bring you only the tools that actually make life simpler and healthier. Let's bring it all together. To improve your mental health, start with small steps. Move more, eat smart, sleep deep, practice mindfulness, disconnect to reconnect, talk to people, and never hesitate to ask for help. You don't need to fix everything today. Just begin. One breath, one step, one habit at a time. If this video helped you or made you think, hit that like button. Subscribe to Healthy Hub Official for more wellness tech content that actually makes a difference. Drop a comment. Which tip are you going to try this week? Let's build a mentally stronger community together. Remember, your mind matters. Taking care of it isn't selfish, it's essential. See you in the next one.